In this tutorial, we're going to explore the sort and sort by functions in Excel. These functions allow you to create dynamically sorted lists that update automatically as your data changes, saving you time and effort. Let's define what dynamic sorting is. Dynamic sorting automatically updates sorted results when your source data changes, without you having to manually intervene. The key benefits of dynamic sorting are real-time data updates, no need to manually resort your data, and you always have current results. Now let's dive into the sort function. The syntax for the sort function is as follows: equals sort, open parenthesis, array, comma, sort index, comma, sort order, comma, by column, close parenthesis. Let's break down the parameters. The array parameter refers to the range that you want to sort. The sort index parameter specifies the column or row number you want to sort by. The sort order parameter determines whether you want to sort in ascending order, represented by 1, or descending order, represented by -1. The by column parameter determines whether you are sorting by column, which is true, or by row, which is false. Here's an example of how to use the sort function. The formula shown here is equals sort, open parenthesis, A2:B6, comma, 2, comma, -1, close parenthesis. This formula sorts the data in the range A2 to B6 by the second column, which is the sales column, in descending order. As you can see in the sample data table, the products and sales figures are sorted from highest sales to lowest sales. Let's move on to the sort by function. The syntax for the sort by function is as follows: equals sort by, open parenthesis, array, comma, by array 1, comma, sort order 1, comma, by array 2, comma, sort order 2, and so on, close parenthesis. The key purpose of the sort by function is to sort by separate criteria, allowing for multiple sort conditions, and is more flexible than the sort function. Here's an example of how to use the sort by function. The formula shown is equals sort by, open parenthesis, A2:C6, comma, C2:C6, comma, -1, close parenthesis. This formula sorts the entire data set, which includes the name, department, and rating, by the rating column in descending order. The employee data table shows how the data is sorted based on the rating from highest to lowest. Let's compare the sort and sort by functions. The sort function sorts by column index, uses a single sort criteria, and has a simpler syntax, making it good for basic sorting tasks. It is best for simple single-column sorting tasks. On the other hand, the sort by function sorts by separate arrays, allows for multiple sort criteria, is more flexible, and is suitable for complex sorting logic. It is best for multi-level sorting and complex criteria. Here are the key takeaways to remember from this tutorial. Dynamic sorting updates automatically. The sort function is used for simple column-based sorting. The sort by function is used for flexible criteria sorting, and both functions save you time and effort. In summary, mastering the sort and sort by functions will enable you to create powerful, self-updating sorted lists in Excel. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.